Unit 1. Greeting. Part 1. Listen to the dialogues and repeat. 1. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
2. Good morning.
Good morning.
3. Good night.
Good night.
4.
Bye. Goodbye.
Part 2. Listen, match and colour.
1. Good afternoon. 2. Good night. 3. Good morning. 4. Good evening.
Part 3. Listen, complete the dialogues and act out. 1.
Good morning.
Good morning.
2.
I'm Burcu. This is Eddie. Hello.
3.
Good evening.
Good evening.
4.
See you. Take care.
5.
Hello, my name is Mete. What is your name?
Hi, I'm Mike.
6.
Goodbye. Have a good weekend.
Part 5. Listen and sing the song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. This is the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. This is the English alphabet.
Part 6. Listen and circle.
N, I, C, E, D, A, Y.
Part 8. Listen and order. 1.
Hello, I'm Chen.
Hi, Chen. Spell your name, please.
C-H-E-N.
Thanks.
2.
Hello. What is your name?
Hi, I am Lucy.
Spell your name, please.
L-U-C-Y.
3.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
I'm Hugo.
Spell your name, please, Hugo.
H-U-G-O.
4.
My name is Hazal. I'm a student. Hi, Hazal. Spell your name, please. H-A-Z-A-L.
Part 9. Listen and repeat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Part 10. Listen and trace.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Part 13. Listen to the dialogue and act out.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Clara. What is your name?
My name is Joe. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you?
I'm 9. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Have a good day.
See you soon.
Part 14. Listen and circle.
Hello, I am Cindy. I am 11 years old.
Hi, I am Peyton. I am 9 years old.
Hello, my name is Matt. I am 10 years old.